You don't have anything to wear?
No.
And what are you wearing then? You're already wearing something. You can't say that you don't have anything to wear. So probably we will style this up very nicely for your Garba event, yeah?
This white shirt.
Yes, this white shirt is gonna look super cool if I'm gonna style it. Are you ready for that?
Are you gonna make me look nice with this?
I'm gonna
this
make
white
you
shirt?
look with this. Okay.
Smile.
Look what she did to my shirt!
Yeah guys, so this was a neck piece what I already had. We just turned the entire collar from back. You can just turn back. And we had fixed this neck piece like this. And I think it looks really interesting.
Amazing. She's also used this.
And yeah, I've used this belt here, which is full of these, I don't know what do you call them? What do you call them?
Shells?
Yeah, no?
No?
I don't know. Yeah, but
we
something.
just did something with the Garba themed whatsoever.
So guys, even you, or you can like just pair up your any shirt, any color of shirt basically, any color of your skirt. Probably you can just only buy your skirt, no dupatta needed, nothing, and just team up like this.
And I love the way she's done my hair.
Look at that.
Bye.